Last year, I was involved in an innovations lab at my school where we were able to choose a project to pursue. I chose to make a bionic hand, which is controlled by an electromyography sensor attached to the forearm, which can read electrical activity in muscles. I began by researching current designs, taking ideas from what I liked. First, I sketched out my design of a finger, transferred it into CAD and printed it. It took redesigning it 3 more times before I was happy with the look and range of motion. The palm was the most difficult part by far, being I had to print and measure out multiple times to figure out where I'd fit the electronics. Programming was pretty easy once you found out the commands for the EMG sensor, since it uses a lot of repetition to command each servo. Knowing I didn't want to spend months and months on perfecting this project, I didn't want to make it extremely complex. All in all, it took me about 2 weeks to design, print, and assemble it. Coding took a bit longer though, trying to figure out how to make it work reliably. Even so, I still learned a great variety of new things.